Hello everyone, myself Nisha, roll number 2127. Today my topic for the presentation is characteristic for the Hamilton-Jacobi equation. Firstly, we define the general Hamilton-Jacobi partial differential equation, that is g of du ut u x and t is equals to ut plus h of du x is equals to 0. Now we define all these terms where du is equals to d of xu, that is partial derivative of u with respect to x, and which is equals to u of x1, u of x2 up to so on u of xn, and h defines mapping Rn to R, and x is a set of n tuples, that is x1 x2 up to so on xn belongs to R raised to the power n, and t belongs to R. Now we set some terms, that is t is equals to x n plus 1, and q is equals to set p raised to the power n plus 1, where p denotes du and p raised to the power n plus 1 denotes ut. Du denotes partial derivative of u with respect to x, and ut denotes partial differentiation of u with respect to t. And z set is equals z, and we set z is equals to ux and y is equals to xt. Now we obtain equation 1 such that g of q z y, where q is equals to p raised to the power n plus 1, that is du and ut, and z is equals to u and y is equals to xt, which becomes p raised to the power n plus 1 plus h of px is equals to 0, where p raised to the power n plus 1 denotes ut and p denotes du, which becomes equation second. Now we find partial derivative of g with respect to q, which becomes partial derivative of h with respect to p of px comma 1, that is dph over px is comma 1. We denote it by equation star. And partial derivative of g with respect to y, we find it as d of x h px comma 0. We denote it by equation double star. And third one is partial derivative of g with respect to z, which becomes 0 because from equation 1 we find g is independent of z. Now we know the article structure of the characteristic partial differential equation, that is we have a non-linear partial differential equation f of du u and x is equals to 0 in u. We assume x dot solves the ordinary differential equation such that x bar r dot s is equals to dpf p bar s zs x bar s, where x bar denotes x1 x2 up to so on xn, where 1 2 3 all these are not in the subscript but in the superscript of the x, and p bar is equals to p1 p2 p3 up to so on pn, and all 1 2 3 are in the superscript of p. And dot means the derivative with respect to x, where p bar dot is equals to du x bar dot and z dot is equals to u of x bar dot. Then we solve p bar dot the ordinary differential equation. P bar dot s is equals to minus of dxf of p bar s zs x bar s minus dzf p bar s zs x bar s into p bar s, and zs solves the ordinary differential equation. Z bar dot s is equals to dpf of p bar s zs x bar s into p bar s. for all those s such that x bar s belongs to V. And now we find the characteristic equation by using above these equations. X bar s is equals to dpg of p bar z x bar, that is partial derivative of g with respect to p, which yields the equation xi, where I running from 1 to n, that becomes curl h by curl pi, that is partial derivative of h with respect to pi of p bar s and x bar s. And for the term n plus 1 x raised to the power n plus 1 s becomes 1, and we denote it by equation 3. And the characteristic equation for p bar s, that is minus of dz g of p bar zx p bar s minus dx g p bar z x bar. For the Hamilton-Jacobi partial differential equation 1, which can be written as p of I s, that is partial derivative of I running from 1 to n is equals to partial derivative of h with respect to xi p bar s and z bar s. And for n plus 1th term, p of n plus 1 s is equals to 0, and we denote it by equation 4. And similarly for the characteristic equation for z dot s is equals to dpg p bar z x bar into p bar s, that is partial derivative of g with respect to p into p bar s, is now becomes z dot s is equals to dph into p bar s x bar s into p bar s plus p raised to the power n plus 1 into s, or we can write as z bar s is equals to partial derivative of h with respect to p bar s x bar s into p bar s minus of h in h of p bar s x bar s, and we denote it by equation 5. Now the characteristic equation for the given Hamilton-Jacobi partial differential equation 1. Equation 1 is g of du ut uxt is equals to ut plus dux. The partial differential equation becomes p bar s z dot s and x bar dot s. We denote it by 6a, 6b and 6c, where p bar dot is equals to p1 dot, p2 dot, p3 dot up to so on p raised to the power n dot, where all these n1 n2 1 2 3 up to so on n are in the superscript of p, and x bar dot is equals to x1 dot, x2 dot, xn dot. And the equation 6a and 6c, that is p bar dot s is equals to minus dxh of p bar s x bar s, and x bar dot s is equals to dph of p bar s comma x bar s. These equations 6a and 6c are called the Hamilton's equations. Thank you so much.